Crypto still feels like a gamble? You're not alone. For many Canadians, crypto trading is overwhelming. Endless platforms, non-stop price swings, and information overload make it feel more like a full-time job than an investment opportunity. But what if there were a smarter, easier way to profit from crypto, without the stress, without the guesswork, and without spending hours glued to your screen? Introducing Immediate Path, the AI-powered crypto trading assistant designed to handle everything for you. While others waste time chasing trends and panicking over charts, Immediate Path works quietly in the background, scanning the markets 24/7, spotting profitable trades before they happen, and executing them with precision. No emotions, no second guessing, just data-driven, real-time performance tailored to Canada's fast-evolving crypto market. Getting started is faster than opening a trading account. Just enter your email through the official link and unlock everything you need: full platform access, a step-by-step onboarding guide, and a limited-time welcome bonus to kickstart your journey. Whether you're new to crypto or just tired of going it alone, Immediate Path does the heavy lifting, from smart trade execution to advanced risk management, so you can focus on results, not stress. It's cloud-based, secure, and built for every skill level. And with support for major digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, you'll be plugged into the market from day one. No downloads, no complex setups, just intelligent automation that works anytime, anywhere, and especially for Canadian investors ready to take control of their financial future. Crypto doesn't have to be complicated. With Immediate Path, you can finally trade smarter, faster, and on your terms. Click the link now, claim your early access, and let AI start working for your crypto goals.